Another conversion or confusion, should I say, is how many conversions to count per click or interaction. For lead generation, always have as one, because somebody may call you again, but it's the same person. Whereas for an e-commerce website, or where you are selling physical or any other kind of products, you put it on every, because every sale is a different order, and you need to attribute that value towards your Google Ads account. So it says here recommended for purchases and recommended for lead signups and other conversions, right? So put this as one. Now, call length. To qualify the call as a conversion, it really depends on how you want to track, whether you want to set it up as a 60-second call that will qualify as a conversion, or you could have it as a 20-second minimum call length. So what this does is, if somebody hangs up the phone after 5 seconds because they may have accidentally clicked on your ad and come through, or you are not the one they are looking for, they hang up, I don't want this to be classified as a conversion. So the call length is whatever you want to keep it for your campaigns. I tend to keep the click-through rate, click-through conversion window as 30, but it can go up to 90, I believe, on the custom. Always include this in the conversion column, otherwise it will not show up. So you need to put this a little check into this checkbox.